Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Today, I am honored to present my concept paper entitled The Role of Parent-Educator Relationships in Children's Psychological Well-Being. This concept paper will explore how relationships between parents and educators contribute to children's psychological well-being in early childhood education setting. Psychological well being is a critical aspect of children's development because it influences their emotional, social, behavioral, and academic outcomes. Parents and educators are among the most influential social agents in a child's life. They shape children's experiences, behaviors, and overall development through their daily interactions and support. When parents and educators work together, children benefit from consistent guidance and support across home and educational environments. As a result, positive parent educator collaboration can significantly enhance children's psychological well being development. Although children's well being has received increasing attention in recent years, several important gaps remain in the existing literature. First, there is a growing concern regarding children's psychological well being in society. Second, there is still limited understanding of how parents and educators perceive their relationships within preschool and childcare settings. Third, many previous studies have focused primarily on quantitative relationships between variables. Finally, there is insufficient exploration of the actual experiences of parents and educators regarding how their relationships influence children's well being. Therefore, this concept paper aims to address these gaps through a qualitative investigation. This study is guided by four main objectives. The first objective is to explore perceptions of parent educator relationships. Second is to explore perceptions of children's psychological well being. Third is to examine the role of parent educator relationships in supporting children's well being. The fourth objective is to identify factors that facilitate positive relationships between parents and educators. Based on these objectives, five research questions have been developed to understand how parents and educators describe their relationships, how they perceive children's well being, how these relationships support children's well being, what factors facilitate positive relationships, and what challenges are encountered in maintaining these relationships. This study is grounded in Bronfenbrenner ecological systems theory 1979. According to this theory, children's development is influenced by multiple environmental systems that interact with one another. The focus of this study is the mesosystem, which refers to the interactions between two or more settings in which the child actively participates, particularly the home and the school environment. The relationship between parents and educators represent a key components of the mesosystem. Positive interactions within this system can create a supportive environment that promotes children's psychological well being and healthy development. Therefore, this theoretical framework provides a strong foundation for understanding how parent and educator relationships influence children. The literature highlights several important factors associated with effective parent educator relationships. The first factor is effective communication, which promotes mutual understanding and cooperation. The second factor is parental involvement, which strengthens children's learning experiences and emotional support. Next, social emotional development as positive relationships contribute to children's emotional competence and social adjustment is the third factor. And the fourth one is trust and collaboration, which enables parents and educators to work together towards one goal. Collectively, these factors are linked to positive child outcomes, including improved psychological well being, academic success, and social development. This study adopts a qualitative case study design. The participants will consist of approximately 10 to 15 parents and 10 to 15 educators. The study will be conducted in childcare centers and preschools located in Selangor. Participants will be selected through purposive sampling, ensuring that those involved have relevant experiences and insights related to parent educator relationships. A qualitative approach is appropriate because it allows for a deeper exploration of participants' perspectives, experiences, and meaning. Data will be collected using three methods. First, semi structured interviews will be conducted to obtain in depth perspectives from participants. Second, field notes will be used to document observation and contextual information. Third, document analysis will be carried out to complement the interview data. The collected data will be analyzed using thematic analysis as proposed by Braun and Clark 2006. And Vivo software will be used to facilitate systematic data organization and analysis. This study is expected to provide several significant contributions. First, it aims to strengthen partnerships between families and educators. Second, it aims to support children's psychological well being by identifying practices that foster positive relationships. Next, it hopes will provide practical recommendations for educators, parents, and early childhood institutions. Fourth, it aims to contribute to the growing body of Malaysian literature of parent-educator relationships. In terms of academic contribution, the study will extend current understanding of parent-educator relationships and offer insights into effective communication and collaboration strategies. Additionally, the findings may inform future policies and practices in early childhood education. In conclusion, positive parent educator relationships characterized by communication, trust, collaboration, and active involvement play a crucial role in supporting children's psychological well being. By gaining a deeper understanding of these relationships, this study aims to contribute valuable knowledge that can enhance children's emotional, social, and psychological development. Ultimately, children's well being is a shared responsibility, and strong partnerships between parents and educators are essential for creating supportive environments for the children. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.